What's up, y'all? So, getting a first-hand look on me converting my GX4. The GX4 comes with two models to it. It's an optics ready model, and it's the basic version of this. So what I ended up doing was going on TORO's website and getting the slide for this. They got the cutout for it. And this is the slide for it. Pretty much that comes off. I did put my glow in the dark sights in here. Let's illuminate these right quick. So yeah, these just pretty much optics ready. And I got a optic sight for it. Well, it's a micro optic sight, so it fits right on there. Like that, but I gotta take this plate off. So I'm gonna do that right now. Just take that off. Now eventually what I'm gonna do is get the barrel and the springs for this, so I don't have to switch them out. Now I could have bought another one that had it ready, optics ready with the whole gun, but why spend the extra money when you just get the slide for it? They got it cut out for it, so it was better to do it that way. Pretty much come out like that, and that should fit in like that. I don't know if these screws will work with this stuff. Oh, it comes with screws, duh. So I don't lose these. What I'm gonna do is put these back in. Pretty much just tape them down so they don't come out. Put them in my spare gun part case. Well, toggle box. Just tape them down while I don't lose the screws to them. Have them like that. Put them in my gun box with parts and tools and shit. Which was originally a fishing box, but hey, it works for parts. And they say this battery on this optics supposed to last a minute. Well, they say 6 months or something. The thing about these optics is there is no button on there, as you notice, but they're automatically come on. So I guess from what I heard and seen, that they come on when when it detects movement. They auto adjust from light and dark lit up rooms and stuff. There. And a real test will be to test them out at the range, see how it go, and sight everything in. I love how it's so micro, the micro slim of it. It's like it don't snag in a way. It's perfectly lined up with the barrel. All right, it's on there. So I officially converted this to GX4 to the GX4 Toro. And the Toro is just the optics mount that's already cut out and drilled out for it. So let me shit, hold on. Yeah, it definitely gives brighter and light. Obviously I gotta sight it in. But I can't really do that until I'm at the range. I can do it somewhat from off site. Alright. That's as close as I can get it, at least until I'm at the range. It looked like it's straight on there, but when you're looking through it, it's kind of like right here in first eye view. So let's see how this look with the glow in the dark sights and with the optics. I'm gonna cut the light off and illuminate these right quick. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. So this is the GX4 Toro. But what I like about these glow in the dark sights is they raised up a little bit, so they kind of like flush with this optics. So it's like right eye level. Yep. So the brighter the light is, the brighter this optics get. See, cut the light off. But I like it. It's real nice. Bring that over a little bit. It's a little bit off. There we go. I got a sight it in good now. But the real test won't know. I won't know until the range. Yeah, I know y'all think I'm flashing myself, but it is empty. There's nothing in it. But yeah, like I said, the sight on the optics it adjusts to light. So in person, this light is actually brighter than what it looked like on camera. It's like well lit up. I just wish they had an on and off button on this thing. You got no way to really cut it off. Oh, okay. Okay, so I guess that right there is the sensor. So if I cover it up, I wonder what will happen. Oh, it gets brighter. Okay. So you cover it up, it dims down. Okay. So that's what a sensor at. This is actually my first time having a cutout for optics on here. So far I like it. It's nice. So it's pretty much how you convert your GX4 to a GX4 Toro. Toro. Just go on Toro's website and get the barrel from them. I mean the slide. Now if you want, you can get the barrel and do like I'm gonna do. I'm eventually gonna get a barrel and the spring for this one. So that way I ain't gotta take the whole thing out. I just pretty much take this barrel, the slide off, slap this on, and everything will still be in the, in the slide of the other one. But then again, it's really not. It don't take nothing but a second to really do that. So, but that's it. Just wanted to show y'all this, how smooth this lines up with it. And I will post the name of this. I forgot which optics the name of this optic is, but I will post the name somewhere. All right. So till next time, keep your guns.